Fast forward, Chief of Staff, Mami Frema Opare, Tina Mabodin. Na SSA officially no Okobo President amane yes ye Mami Akua Donkor wa frim. Enti ebusuafo no kokohia Chief of Staff. SSA yekoyi President asutire. Wokokoduru ye ebusuafo kobo amane ya Kofi Akpaloo so hobi. Enti wo wie ye no na Chief of Staff say oh sabe ye ebibifo ye wo yabane sabe ye yade. Enti se mo wie de a Kofi Akpaloo nya busuani Akua Donkor Freedom Party so Kofi Akpaloo nka ho asam na meka ne tie ne ye ese ye ma busuafo no yakọ hyentiade ye da Chief of Staff sabe eburu sabe nya Addo oya santini enti yakọ hyentiade ewo ba bia meme na ba film aye kobo na busuafo no bi amane ewo de nkyira ye tuka na kobo amane ba busuapani no ho no sa man sika se yemfa ka anko ye friend yakọ hyentiade. And the Chief of Staff me ebusuafo no 20,000 Ghana cedis. Say ebusuafo no mfa car enko na ombete wonka. And the Kofi Akpaloo ji sika de share ne bottom. Kofi Akpaloo afei ebusuafo ni omo ina awie na omo atetima. Eh 20,000 o he say Kofi Akpaloo. Kofi wa he Kofi adwane.
Abusia eka kakamia yese ye maame Akua Donkor wu no ekwa kwa developing story. Day in day out issue for a pop out our mommy ni won ho recently ni ababeto abonten ahwehwe amanfo asono kyerese ye brapene Captain Smart wodi ne djuma wo onua TV e de nsem bi efa maame ni wo hu ababeto abonten wo kyerese maame ni wo no Kofi Akpaloo wo stand center no so abaso ma Ghana mampene why no ho middleman wo maame ni wo nim ni nyina ne se abusuafo no ko Chief of Staff wo maame Frema Opare se amamre kwanso no wo mokwa akose na yie se wo maame no atofom enunti hyehyɛ bi wo ho no na wo mo de egu akwam na eno na maame no ema mo 20,000 Ghana cedis a wo kyerɛ se o se busua ne etutu wo manamon abane na ase de ontimi nhwe wo mo so mo nkɔ saa kekenti no wo mo sika se we de eye ka sika monje na mo fanfa ka enko na hyehyɛ bi a wo kyerɛ bia no eba yenso be ma mo so maso ate na eno na Kofi Akpaloo asabio wonye busuani no sika no akwakodi ne nsem na Captain HS Kofi wonye busuani unfi maame Akua Donkor busuam ne party ne kora wonka ho enu nte busuani se saa 20,000 Ghana cedis na ba bedi ho no wo mo joma de busua to magage no ne busua wo hwi mesa so subscribe ma channel no mi adoma no sa no upload bia ba on sage tinya ka yenko tie senia Captain Smart kyerɛkyerɛ nsem no mfa ne ekwan Kofi Akpaloo fa so a busuani sika ekodi wo mo nsem
mi yan nte se na opening Kofi Akpaloo LPG somiha na somiha ono ne abranti a na one odike eko ne party ho won na wo ne eye Akua Donkor party for no kasa se emom fa candidate bia nominate obi anko easy no mbedi wo mani first one no menya $500,000 the tosu biom eno echi no omo no fa flight akwa Shanty region akohia chema wuntumi hono no flat rate 300,000 Ghana cedis eti kwasia da ya etwa mu na nanka omo de womo eko akwaje saa sika no according to the source che jataba ani Kofi Akpaloo one and omo ye middleman. Fast forward, Chief of Staff, Mami Frema Opare, Tina Mabodin. Na SSA officially no Okobo President amane yes ye Mami Akua Donkor wa frim. Enti ebusuafo no kokohia Chief of Staff. SSA yekoyi President asutire. Wokokoduru ye ebusuafo kobo amane ya Kofi Akpaloo so hobi. Eti wo wie ye no and Chief of Staff say oh sabe ye ebibifo ye wo yabane sabe ye yade. Eti se mo wie de a Kofi Akpaloo wonya busuani Akua Donkor Freedom Party so Kofi Akpaloo nka ho asam na meka ne tie ne ye ese ye ma busuafo no yakọ hyentiade ye da Chief of Staff sabe eburu sabe nya Addo oya santini Nti ya question ti ade e wo ba bia. Me na na ba film a ye kobo na busuafo no bi amane e wo de nkyira. Ye tu car na kobo amane. Ba busuapani no ho no sa man sika se ye mfanfa ka anko. Ye friend ya akọ hyenti ade. And the chief of staff me busuafo no 20,000 Ghana cedis. Sir, ebusuafo no mfanfa car enko. Na o mbete wonka. And the Kofi Akpaloo sika de share the bottom. Kofi Akpaloo afei ebusuafo ni omo ina awie na o matetima eh 20,000 o he ese Kofi Akpaloo Kofi wa he Kofi aduane ana ebusuafo ne ba ko say hey Kofi babone where are you ye 20,000 o so mi refisa me de be mamo ana Kofi Akpaloo dimirika ebe hye ebusuafo no wo Afrikiko oba na omu didi na otua omo aduane ka obi a chief of staff edi sika ma won wonya busuani unka Donkor party ho wa ba yi wo 20,000 Ghana cedis mo wan kwa me fa so mbeche nde se nya wasem Kofi ba ya osem aduane na mudi ye na ye se ne wetu aduane ka ye 20 no wo he osem e ba afei oba omo sika no de bi ahye wo nsem ono na eche omo a na Kofi Akpaloo di ahye wonsem omo a na ebusuafo ba ko say kewo 20,000 the chief of staff say yen na ye de ya etu Kofi Akpaloo sabi a igbeni usimu asante say wo Jessica no de kwan wo nya busuani party ni so won ka ho. In any case, we invited Kofi Akpaloo to chief of staff's place about Akua Donkor's party. Ebusuafo baba no ade nse se ne botoma na wa Jessica no ama wo osisika nasa. Okay. Eti anura about 10:21 and me am fa me phone na me send Kofi Akpaloo WhatsApp say menya information say ebusuafo no sika wo. Eti ebusuafo say from 20,000 Ghana cedis ma wo. Now Kofi Akpaloo aba responde abaji atum say ani 20,000 here de ma wo afeti ne response on na trauma mi o eti tiniye I will suggest you speak to their family lawyer head of the family plus 2 other ladies that I have their contacts. Kofi, enipa no wose omo ye more than 30. Why do you want me to speak to only 3? And other lawyer Justice obeying number sending me any. And ode Openi Bernard Akwesibuaten so number sending me. And ode Esther Sewa Brakatu wonso number kan ho. O sending number ni we no afi obe confirm me say 20,000 no one. Tie the next response. They were 12 in number. Pacho you assume it in you. They were 12 in number. And the 20,000 Ghana cedis wasn't enough for them. So I confirm it. So I quickly organized additional 20,000 to make it 40,000 and shared to them. Me kan biom where Kofi Akpaloo Akua we be president edi okurum ha woji obi a ne busuani ewu 20,000 diduane na wasa ko organize 20 asan so de abeyede onu ane message o we nya me nam trauma no opa on delete. They were 12 in number and the 20,000 Ghana cedis wasn't enough for them. So I quickly organized additional 20,000 to make it 40,000 and share to them. In any case, are you the chief of staff? Chief of staff gave the family 20,000. So who mandated you to organize another 20,000 cedis for them? Did the chief of staff pay another 20,000 Ghana cedis for just lorry fare? Who the chief of staff for two asebu? But for more pare was who diabu. The Bushapani was there. The family members were there. You gave the money to Kofi Akpaloo. I Benny in a Asante funeral for what? Why did you give him the money? Is he the one organizing the Donkor's funeral? Was he the chairman at the gathering? Yeah, time 20,000. Now Kofi Akpaloo discarded Johnny. But I mean, for more part, I've told you before and I'll tell you again. I've told you before and I'll tell you today too. Listen. When you're careful, you will go down in history as the worst chief of staff. And Kofi Akpaloo could organize additional 20,000 Ghana cedis in his capacity as what? Who gave him the 20,000 cedis? Did he call the chief of staff? Sir, 20,000 no answer. Now, Kofi Akpaloo ni mnyansa chen fe mo pare. Oh, you 20,000 monjina monfanko. Now we say we are 12 answer. It be sound co organize another 20,000. So now watch this. Let me read his last statement. Trauma me. None of them received anything less than 3,000 Ghana cedis. Watch this. Tie. None of them received anything less than 3,000 Ghana cedis. Into Obian Fani calculator. Now Kofi say, I quickly organized additional 20,000 cedis and shared to them. So, Enipa 12 and Ekwache 40,000. Anamwa. All right. It's 40,000. 1, 2, 3 divided by 12. Kofi, for our calculator, remain in knowing. Why no middleman? No, no, Jubilee House. You think we don't know? Assembly Akua who are Kofi Akpaloo. How Jubilee House? And then Kofi presidential ambition. Say a trades conference. Sir. Ebusha for 20,000 Kofi Akpaloo ahead and then Mr. Chuenya ye, Nena Nabia wedi 120 wewu. Enti yako aigbe mem. Many ya atiti enya is before. And anti-BCO, Monji sike na mabebo amane, Monfanko, na many ya atiti, yaji aigbe before sika. Ye ya some dana aigbe before sika mawo. Asamasi. But I'm in first carrying Tanaka Moon come here or Tantra Hills. Nay, I saw family can say, hey, me refi. And to say, I'm from Kabe kind of dabby. That is a Sikane Thai Jubilee House. Obi Papa Wua 50,000. Obi Sister Wua 30,000. Obi say wa say men can say obi asam to na may mwano. But on my sika say yeah state funeral, yeah state funeral. We are then the Kofi Akpaloo na be kire say ma party ne emfa candidate bi anko no ntimi lobby ne ma Akua Donkor state barrier. Who the hell is this guy? Who na beche nipa yen fa Ghana for your tax. Now Kofi Akpaloo jijim kofo sika susu okumase wudi dan ye wetu awie. Wo maka to say don't bring yourself. Wo launch your campaign. Ewo you prepare assembly hall. What do you feel voter region? Wa wo krom ba e. Me na me tua am lord fed be sin na wuntu am sika mame. You haven't paid me. I was so ashamed of myself that day of Prep Assembly Hall when these beautiful, wonderful airway people were stranded. Driver and so on for Monko because you haven't paid the driver. You ran away. You had to do Ukayo Chunoko. I had to go and look for money and pay that driver to take the people from Kumasi to Volta region. You promised you were going to pay me the money. Have you paid? Opa manya calculation to so. From 2008. Manya calculation to so from 2008. If you can pay. You can't crash a gun for obi say obi ta obi. Huh? Chief of Staff in Tinebusu for the new. Why Kofi Akpaloo taking their 20,000 Ghana cedis? Why? Now be send a lawyer na mama me. Wo ji sika no catch a lawyer so obegina wo rebefi. Ah, Kofi Akpaloo, wo catch a lawyer and say sika na meje. Na me rebefi me yasa afre me. You are bringing in a lawyer who's from ferry. So did you give the lawyer 3,000? Is that what you are saying? It's a lawyer kwa for say. Kofi Akpaloo na do na mabaye o. Me so Kofi Akpaloo say for justice obin. Lawyer justice obin Kofi Akpaloo ma 3,000. I mean, I don't know say ya tantan time basa okrum ha no. Wako baby penny say monji we mfa kanko. Na wo say me hwe aye nso. Ti ma copy 20,000 account. That 20,000 one be to amount. What dey che won? Nonsense. Koka say hey, men kasa. Una be dia ni mu na what the one e kwacha ma wuntu bi ho. Ha? What the one e kwacha ma wuntu bi ho. So onye dey. Say chama wuntu bi ma mo musika. Mom, easy. On to be obi amfi ase enkosoro. And on to be obi amfi soro so mafom. At worst case scenario, you be reballoting. No baby about me be kwakwa da kan ba report all. We dey mo ba but the we dey be report all. Aden. Insana na do atu chief of staff office mu no.
Entebusia we ene ne ebra Captain Smart e de ababetudwa efa Kofi Akpaloo hu. Me ma remfi so beja comment e video ya se e de mame. Aha you too much me subscribe atom so. Fa be one ka ho sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles so ko wa e you too much e like na share wo ho so for mame. Macra